Loosen the hex screws at the four corners of the machine. Open the top compartment of the machine. Disconnect the air tube connected to the machine. We found the Y9 solenoid valve. Find the power cord of the external solenoid valve. Cut it off, as we will need to connect a new solenoid valve in parallel later. Now take out the two-way two-position solenoid valve we provided and connect it to the power cord that was just cut off. And insulate it properly. Detach the air tube from the odd terminal of the external solenoid valve. Connect to the new two-way exhaust port, in series with a three-way interface on the outlet of the Y9 solenoid valve. The outflow end of the three-way interface is connected to the inflow port of the two-way valve with an air pipe. The arrow shows the airflow direction. Install the check valve in intake pipe's middle. The tail pipe is led to the reserved hole on the machine. Finally, we install an 8-rod 6 valve at the end of the air pipe. Now reset all the air pipes and power lines. Finally, install and tighten the hex screws at the four corners. Connect the air pipe of the air compressor to the adapter of the air pipe. Now let's test if it can run properly. The test passed perfectly.